Okay, people, this is how I make my lead. This right here is 2 ounce swivel. What I do, take a little piece right here, put it over here. It's hard to do. Once you get to know it, pretty easy. Put that in there. You gotta take this one, put it right there. Make sure it's always down in that little hole here. Right there. You close that down. This thing's hard as hell to do. Gotta get it hot. Take a while to do. Lead ain't even melted. Try to find me some lead throw down the side of that damn thing. Like that. That. Do it that way. Got a couple pieces of lead down on the little thing. See if I can put this in my shirt pocket without screwing it up. Like that. Get a couple of these down here. Like this. I'll break this end off. These are ones I just made. Put that down in there. Give me another one. Break off this one here. I get these to break them off. You can see broken off. Put that in a melter. Get another one. Break this one off. Same way. Twist it. Go back down there. There you go. That should be enough of that one. Let it melt down real quick. Move this out of my way. Still trying to melt. Take a little bit of time to do. Sometimes you shake it, it even works better. A little piece of lead here. Put that down. God damn, you're hot. Woo! It's hot. Yeah, she's melting. All right. I'll take it out. You can see. Right down the side of there. Wait for a couple of seconds. Bam. Take it out like that. Just grab your needle nose, pull it out, and bam, there it is. You don't want to touch it because the damn thing is hot as hell. And I drop it right down in there. And that's how you make the swivels. I make all types. Egg sinkers. These are 6 and 8s. I make 9s and I make 10s, 12s. Make 2s, 1s, 1.5s, all the way up. I make bank sinkers. I got all kinds of stuff in here. Split shots. No problem, make them. Bank sinkers, to 5 ounces? No problem. Look at your 12 ounce. Look at your half ounce and 3/8. Look at your number ones. Make them all at one time. I can make anything what you need. Bass fishing. There you go. I can make it. Egg sinkers again. There you go. No problem. That's how I do it. Have a good one, people. Have a good one. Hot and ready to go.